We are here in Sanibel Island, Florida, a little bit outside of Fort Myers, and we are doing the Mudbugs Cajun restaurant, and we are doing the POWERfast roof system with AlphaGuard BIO on top of it. How the job was phased out up here is we used 3-inch insulation base layer, and then I ran a 1/4 inch tapered per foot from the edge the whole way up, and we then used the POWERfast system, screwing on the laps and the edges, and we then installed the POWERply Endure adhesive on the 5-inch lap to seal in the roof.
Now we're into the flashing mode. We got the guys on the roof already cutting flashings, and they're going to put the cant strips to the walls, and then later on we're going to start on the AlphaGuard system on top of that.
All right, here we are. It's day 2, sunny Sanibel Island. Yesterday we installed the POWERfast system. We got the base coat in. We're all watertight. Today we actually hope to install the AlphaGuard BIO NR. The BIO NR system is a plural component. It's a catalyzed product. We're reinforcing all the seams. We actually are using a 4-inch permafab in our base coat of the BIO, 1.5 gallons a square. We run the permafab into the product, fully in bed, and then cover it with another 1.5 gallons square. Then we come back and add our base coat across the entire roof substrate, and once that cures, typically 2 to 4 hours with weather permitting, we come back in at the BIO top coat at 1 gallon a square.
We're looking at about a month until Jimmy Brock gets down here, gets all the metal measurements, make sure everything's right, picks the proper color. Then they will fabricate the metal panels and send them on out here, and then we will install the metal panels for them.
We're here at Sanibel Island, Florida, phase 2 of Mudbugs. We're starting the metal project right now, the T-38 panel. It's a pre-weathered Galvalume premium color, so it's going to look beautiful. It's a dark charcoal gray. We're just getting started today, so there's a lot of trim work going on. We've got the fascia, the drip edge, and then the panels go on top of that. But we do have some valleys and some hip conditions. So it's taken us a little bit of time to get started. However, we are making some progress. By the end of the day, we'll have a good rhythm going and installing the panels. One of the reasons why we did the pre-weathered Galvalume is here on Sanibel Island, we do have studies showing from MCA that the Galvalume substrate will last up to 60 years. The pre-weathered Galvalume coating has a 40-year pass-through warranty from Tremco. So we worked closely with the designer to figure out which panel would be perfect for the look of this restaurant. This is going to be a Cajun kitchen, so we wanted to make sure that we had a Cajun style metal roof on the outside. That's exactly what we came up with the T-38 and the pre-weathered Galvalume. So in the long run, we're giving the customer exactly what they want with the longest lasting roof they could possibly have.